Hey, good morning. Another home project this morning. Last night, I heard a loud smash, bang, crash. I come in here, and one of these glassware vases fell off the cabinet. I've been in and out of these cabinets the last couple days, and a little too much bass, maybe rattled one of those off, but that thing shattered so hard it turned into dust. In order to clean it up, I had to move the washer and dryer out of the way to get it all. So while I've got it out, might as well clean the dryer vent. I haven't done that in probably 10 years. I don't have a dryer duct cleaning tool. I don't want to call anybody to do it. It's COVID season. I'll do this all by myself. And it cost me $0. I used an electrician's fish tape, an old t-shirt, a piece of cord, and a vacuum cleaner. I already did this without making the video because I didn't know if it was going to work, but this works so great and I'm so proud. I'm going to go through the motions and show you what I did, but I already cleaned it. But I'll show you the end result in the end. I can't show you the end result first, and it wouldn't be in the end result. I apologize for the scratchy voice. I've reached my lint inhalation limit this morning, and I was too stupid to realize I should have put my COVID mask on while I did this. Well, anyway, I got an electrician's fish tape. This fish tape has a hook in the end. So I got an old t-shirt. I just wrapped it around this fish tape, put a piece of duct tape here to hold it all together. And then I use this cord to tie this t-shirt to the fish tape. That way I don't lose this up there in that vent tube. My vent tube is probably 15 feet long, solid. So we're just gonna run this up there, shake it up and down, and clean that tube. All right, so I got the vacuum. I'm not gonna turn that on because it makes too much noise. I took off like 5 feet of fish tape. Then you're just going to stick it up in here. And just keep going, up and down. Oh, we're getting some I missed before. Just take it up to so you know it stops once it hits the top. You feel it hit the top, start bringing it down. Whew, there you go. All right, let's take a look up inside there. More lint, yum. It's like a huge fog in that dryer vent. So I'm gonna hook the dryer tube back up. I'm gonna blow air through that for 5 minutes. We'll clear that out, and we'll come back and look up in there with a mirror. Boy, look how pretty that vent tube is now. There's no lint in there. Everything's back together. I've done 2 loads of jeans. I wash 4 pairs each time. I always dry them on delicate, and I use the automatic cycle for the sensing. Normally they take 45 minutes to dry. I timed them today and it took 36 minutes. So I've shaved 10 minutes off the dry cycle. You're not going to notice a clogged dryer vent right away. That's something that builds up gradually, and you'll discover it when your clothes just don't dry. When I looked up in that pipe before I cleaned it, that 4-inch pipe probably was about 3 inches in diameter with all the lint stuck to the sides. I never considered myself having a drying problem. My clothes were never damp coming out of the dryer, but shaving 8 minutes off a load of jeans, probably should have done that sooner. Well, hey, if you get in a jam and you got to do it yourself vent clean, that worked like a champ. I wish I'd made the video from the start so you could see how much junk I actually got out of that vent tube. Hey, happy cleaning. Thanks for watching.